there is the start of It's a Small World queue. "55 minutes. And I bet that's longer than that, really. Well, we managed to get a piece of pound fast pass, and actually there's still quite a few fast passes floating around tonight. Despite the crowds, you can get fast pass selections. Off to Big Thunder Mountain now for a delayed fast pass from earlier today. Still looks quite busy, but the fast pass isn't, got a 65-minute wait. The fast pass isn't halfway out the park like it was earlier today. We've got the front row. Hey, hey. Here we go. Here we go again. Testing my broken Here we go again. It's a completely different ride tonight. It's amazing. That's absolutely amazing tonight. Oh, it's better in the dark. Dumbo for our next fast pass. We're doing all right now this evening. Still busy. I know I'm saying the same stuff again, but it really is.
Okay, just raise the magic lever right in front of you.
Go shot though. Fast pass this time for Ariel. So we're going to do Little Mermaid, Thingy Under the Sea. It's quite amazing really. It's a 35-minute wait and we could get a fast pass. What do you people do?
You want thingamabobbs? I have 20.
Will I help you?
Yes, indeed. Yes.
Go a lot faster. And that there is the start of It's a Small World queue. 55 minutes. And I bet that's longer than that really. It's a Small World now. Those queues earlier today, right down there. Now, walk on. Why do you all go home? It's empty now. Walk on rides. And we've got Pirates coming up as a fast pass in a few minutes. Been good this late night go tonight.
Welcome to It's a Small World.
Frontierland we go, final ride of the night as we try and hit Pirates of the Caribbean. And then the next challenge is getting home. Oh, really quiet down here now. The crowds from earlier in the day seem to be long gone.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow.
Ahead for a 10.
10, I'll give you 20 for the rob.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber. Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send him hints of Davy Jones. It's the Robin one.
Yeah, they're
Come on now, be as nice as a pussycat.
Do have yourself a drink, small one. Drink up, leave on the show. Yes, it's a fine treasure indeed.
5 to 12, so we've certainly gone late night party to the max, and the new version of Pirates of the Caribbean, well, it's much better actually. Enjoyed it a lot. Feels empty, really empty. But I think we've done it to the full as it approaches 12 o'clock, so on our way back now down to Main Street. This is my happy face. Thank you. Thank you. Never grow up into trouble. There's some quite good ones here. I hear, what are your other two wishes? I like that one. Magic Kingdom. Get the monorail to get us back. I'm trying to, oh goodness, I'm tired. Transportation and Ticket Centre. Ticket and Transportation Centre. Which was a lot quieter than it was earlier today. It's amazing how quickly everybody's dispersed from the queues at the monorail to now